Welcome y'all to the day in the life of Jamard Wright. Everybody that say they want to be a boss, follow me to the Wright Cafe. I'm sure we'll be the bosses all the time. Y'all come right on in. This is actually Union Station, downtown Meridian, 1901 Front Street. You can find us on the first floor. Come through the door, you can smell it when you come in the building. This is the actual cafe itself, come on in. This is my guy Brandon. Brandon's pretty much my right-hand man, my go-to. Most of the stuff I don't know, Brandon do it, so that's why Brandon sits around. Now, what everybody want to see is this big bald head man from Jamaica. Let me tell you before he come out, the man is awesome with his hands, he's awesome with his food, and he will mess up some of the English language, but the food, he got it. Darryl, come on, holler at my people. Darryl JR, how you doing? I want to welcome the world, meet Darryl, meet the world. You know
hey, what's up, man?
Darryl is from Jamaica, lived in New York, Connecticut, and he brought his skills down here to Meridian to show people what it's like to get this jerk chicken and this curry chicken. So I'm gonna let Darryl say a few things here. We got a couple come in. Yeah, just tell them about some peppers or some seasoning. Tell them how you used to cook, kill the goats and all that. No, don't tell them about the goats. Don't tell them about the goats. But no, like I said, me and Darryl now been together about 6 months. We're looking at expanding and growing. But what we really want to tell you about today is the menu has changed. For the next 7 to 10 days, to May 1st, we're gonna stay $5 a plate. You gotta come try the Jamaican fried chicken. You gotta come try the cattle. You gotta come try the jerk chicken, the curry chicken. All wives on safety. Best believe this food is too good to stay at 5. Other than that, I'll keep it there. Again, this is the Wright Cafe, Day in the Life of Jamard Wright, with my boy, Darryl.
Straight up.
Good morning, Bob. This is another day. Bringing people in, letting people see the day in the life of Jamard Wright. Some people think I don't do nothing every day. Mr. Bob is one of the people that see me get up every morning at 6 o'clock, in here bringing groceries, cleaning up, and usually see me one of the last one leave. Mr. Bob, been looking up to him since I got here. I always give you good advice. Tell you when you're right, tell you when you're wrong. I usually like when I'm right, not when I'm wrong. He gonna be fit.
This is a hard-working man, without a doubt.
Thank you,
This is an intelligent man, most intelligent.
Appreciate it. So to take him out to the back now, on the patio that we hope to do. Mr. Bob is the owner right here. This Greyhound location right here in Meridian. So if you're ever trying to travel Greyhound, come see Mr. Bob personally. That's right. Now normally when we mention the patio area, most people are really thinking that we're talking about the patio up top. That's kind of not what we're talking about. The city also, when we got the lease on the building, we also had a piece of property that was leased outside. So going into this summer, when you're looking to get away and want to eat outside and want to be private, I got a special place for you. And this is my guy over Amtrak. You can't tell it right now because he's sitting outside, but he run Amtrak every day, come through, make sure he eats with a great customer. Let's take this down. So a lot of people hadn't seen this. This is going to be the outdoor patio. Hold on, we have it draped with lights, make them look like New Orleans style. We'll have our tables and chairs. We'll bring the Bluetooth speakers out here to make sure people know they have good music. Now the good thing is we're covered, so not worried about rain, not worried about the sun, and better yet, we don't have to worry about traffic because you can't drive back this way. So you know, if you're looking for a little eventful evening, private dinner with your wife, family of 7 or 8 want to get away from everybody, or just a group of friends, birthday party, just for dinner, we got you right here, keep it secluded, nobody knows. Again, this is just one part of a day at Jamard Wright. In a few minutes, I got to go switch out cameras, and before you know it, I'll be in the studio. Just left the school, so I was at Parkview Elementary School this morning, in the cafe during the day, and then you'll see me doing pictures at night. For those who want to be a boss, think again. Say your name, where you from, Darryl?
Jamaica.
We said say your name first. Your name ain't Jamaica. Where you from? In Martin Luther King, Jr.
From Jamaica.
Where else you stayed at? What jail you been in?
What jail?
Yeah.
No jail.
No jail. What prison?
No prison.
No prison.
No.